Hi guys, welcome to you to our video lesson. This is Rahman Tarek. I have been working in forex marketing for about 2 years now, and I have seen best forex broker FBS at this moment. FBS is the best forex broker in the world, so everyone chose FBS because their deposit system is very easy and withdrawal is very easy. Their support is very friendly, so their payments support Neteller, Skill, Private Money, Visa, Mastercard, etc. So withdraw processing is 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, today I'm going to showing you a step-by-step FBS sign up system. First, please you can choose which account do you sign up. Please actually you can choose a standard uh, like ECN standard, send micro account and zero speed account. Initial deposit $100 standard and send one initial deposit $1, micro initial deposit $5, so zero speed initial deposit $500. ECN initial deposit is $1000, so you can choose actually which account you can create. Guys, actually FBS giving you 100% 100 deposit bonus. Withdraw is available. You can see trade 100 bonus work out. For more you can see the link actually. And how you can sign up the FBS 100% 100 bonus. Please you can see trade $X bonus and USD. You can select USD. Please enter your full name and your email, then tick mark I accept FBS agreement, then get bonus. Then you can find 100 bonus. After sign up, please verify your email, phone and submit. You can see the emails. After sign up, you can verify your email. Actually open an account is right. Okay, fine, confirm email. Click you can see your email. Actually you click the active link, so confirm your phone number and confirm your identity. So confirm your identity, please you can submit your NID or national ID card or your passport. Guys, finally everything is done. Finally everything is done. Now you can start your live forex trading. Guys, I have a forex A to Z beginner free books. You can see if you want these books, please sign up. 100% $100 bonus. This is beginner forex ebook. You can see tables of content and beginner forex book and what is forex and who trades at Forex Market, and why become a forex trader. So and when one can trade on forex, how to get a start, everything resource this books. Actually this is books beginner A to Z, and it's totally free. I'll give you free. So I'll give you this link. I'll give you this 100 dollar bonus link video description. Please see this link video description. After sign up, please go to my page. After sign up, please go to my page. After sign up, please go to my page. Actually after sign up, please go to my page and inbox your email. Then I will give you forex A to Z beginner free books. It's totally free books, but when you sign up is under my link and done, then I'll give you forex A to Z beginner free books. But first please you can see my 100% $100 bonus link in my video description. Your sign up process is done. Then you can inbox your email. Then I will give you forex A to Z beginner free books. Is totally free. You can learn forex A to Z from this book because it is nice book and totally free. Thank you for watching my